Hi, thank you so much for checking out today's video. I have a new wig here from Luvme Hair. Let me show you everything that comes inside the box. We do have the wig, of course, and I'll get into all of those details in just a moment. This wig also comes with a custom hair clip, a custom beauty sponge, an elastic wig band, some Velcro strips, a wig label card, and a mesh storage bag to help store your wig, a set of HD wig caps, and some helpful wig care cards. This gorgeous wig here is the Ombre Blonde Blowout Layered Cut Wavy Glueless HD Minimalist Lace Wig. She comes 100% ready to wear straight out of the box. It has a minimalist lace parting, with the lace and the part being on the left side. And this unit is 100% glueless. It has 3 combs in total, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps and that adjustable elastic band. And this wig also features a flexi fit cap for extra stretch and comfort. This wig comes in 3 different length options, 12, 14, and 16. And the wig that I have shown here is in the 12-inch. Now this wig literally comes pre-everything. Like I said, it comes ready to wear straight out of the box. It comes with this custom ash blonde color with the dark brown roots. It also comes pre-cut and pre-styled. It has gorgeous face framing and full body layers cut all throughout the wig. The lace also comes 100% ready to wear. The lace is pre-parted, it's pre-plucked, and it's pre-bleached. And although there is minimal lace on this unit, you're still getting very good lace. They did not skimp on the lace. So it's not just minimal lace, it's minimal HD lace. And this is a 100% human hair wig. So you can restyle it, you can straighten it, you can curl it however you want to curl it. And with proper care, it could last you up to a year. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly wig that's easy to wear and doesn't require a lot of styling, this is a great option. The layers are already pre-cut, so you don't have to do any extra customizing, and the natural blowout texture gives it a soft, voluminous look right out of the box. Because it's glueless and comes with an HD minimalist lace, it's comfortable for all-day wear and blends easily without needing a full install. I didn't use any glue or gel for this install, just adjusted the straps and secured the combs. The color is a soft ombre blonde that's not too brassy or too ashy, just a nice wearable tone that works well across different skin tones. I also noticed the density is just right, not too thick, not too thin, so it moves naturally and it doesn't feel heavy. This wig works really well for quick styles. You can throw it in a loose ponytail, wear it down with minimal heat styling, or even do a simple pin back hairstyle. The layers already help give it shape so it doesn't fall flat. So if you're someone who doesn't like doing too much when it comes to their hair, this is the kind of wig that gives you that polished look with minimal effort. So if you're in your blowout era, low effort, high return, this wig fits right in. I will have all of the details and the direct link down below in the description box. She is currently on sale right now, but if you use our special coupon code, you can also save yourself an extra 28% off of your total order. So definitely check her out. If you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, comment down below and let me know what you think about this gorgeous wig. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.